Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your products come in different sizes, colors or even styles, you will need product options. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to create product options on Wix in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, we're gonna start by opening Wix dashboard, go into the store product and all of this. Look for Wix in the search bar, go to wix.com, make sure you log in using your email address and password. As for now, as you see on my dashboard, for my website, I actually have a restaurant type of websites. So for me, I only have catalog restaurant menus. I have menus and items, but for you guys who have a normal store, you will be able to see a store product. Select a product, click the product you want to edit, then go to the product options. Scroll down to options and variants. So now you'll be able to see multiple options. For me, I'm gonna see food since I'm having a website of restaurant. I'm seeing variants, items and all of this. But for you, you will be able to see product options as I told you. Add new options including size, color and even material if you have to. Then create variants. Combine options to create variants automatically. Then set prices and inventory. Adjust stock and pricing per variant. Then all you're gonna do last is save your changes. As for a small little pro tips, limit options to avoid confusion. Use some real-time images for color variants as well. Track the inventory per variant. It's totally necessary. So for example, if a customer comes and asks for a certain product, make sure it's truly there, like all of them variants are available and all of them options are really there. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.